Let's have a go at this exam style question. The question says, Figure 1 shows a stoma. Describe what happens to cell A when there is plenty of water in the plant. And there's also a diagram showing a stoma and a cell that forms one side of the stoma labelled A. Now the first step here is to identify cell A. And you should know that a stoma is made up from two guard cells, which are a type of specialised cell found on the outer surface of leaves. So cell A here, this is actually a guard cell. So I shall just write guard cell. And the command word in this question is the word describe. So that means we need to recall some facts or information. Other important information in the question is that it specifically says describe what happens to cell A when there is plenty of water in the plant. So it's a particular condition. So our answer needs to recall what happens to the guard cells when the plant has plenty of water available to it. And remember, the guard cells take in water if there's plenty of water available. And that makes them become turgid and sort of swell up and become turgid. And this swelling changes the shape of the cell and causes the stoma to open so that gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapour can pass through. So let's put an answer together. I'm going to write, if there's plenty of water in the plant, there. In the plant, the guard cell, I'm using the correct terminology, the guard cell takes in water and becomes turgid, causing the stoma to open. So no, I'm using proper terminology here, turgid, stoma, guard cell. Okay, now that would give you the 3 marks. So you've got 1 mark there for saying when there's plenty of water, which we put in the first part, that the cell takes in water. Second mark would be saying that it swells or becomes turgid. Either term is fine. And the third mark is for saying that causes the stoma to open.